If you've been looking for a set of measurement tapes to be able to measure your body, check these out. These are the 3-piece measurement tape set by LYTOWN, and I have to say I'm fairly impressed with this. The first one is this guy right here. If I pull it out here, you have two sides. You have millimeters on this side, and then you have inches on this side. And if you look right here, you have 0 to 2. This is 2 inches total, and if I wrap the tape around here, right there, you can see that it actually doesn't go all the way to 1. It goes to 2 right here. That way you have 0, 1, and then you have 2 right here, and then you can pick up with the inches around, and you click the button, it retracts. Same thing with this guy here, except this guy you can pull out, and this guy can go very long. So right there we have 53 inches. So this guy is really, really solid, very easy to use. And then you have your freehand tape right here. So it just has the numbers on it right here. It's double-sided like the other guys. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, you have inches, and it can go all the way to, I believe, let's see here, where's the end? So it goes all the way to 60, and 60 would be at the very end here. So if you're in the market for a fantastic set of body measurement tapes, I think these things are phenomenal. This is what I'm going to be using moving forward, and I highly recommend them.